The more we get together, the more we get together, the happier you can be. Just your friends are my friends, and my
Your
friends
friends are my friends.
The
The
more we get together,
are happier are we. Are your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, how happier are we. Yay! This is, where is Adi?
Here!
Oh, where is Adi?
Here!
Okay, where is Ate Madi? Raise your hands, Ate Madi.
Here!
Okay, where are you going, Ate Adi?
Drinking water!
Hey, what happened to your face?
Mommy,
What's
give
in your
me
face?
this.
It's a cream?
Yes, cream. Mommy,
Huh?
give it to me.
What for?
It's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Huh? What for? Cream is for?
Itchy.
For itchy? Why?
On
Is it
my
itchy?
eyes.
Is it itchy?
Yes.
Huh?
Because mommy give it to me.
Oh, look at me nga. Can you see? Is it itchy? Oh, don't scratch it, ha? Mapunta yan sa eyes mo. Okay? Okay, ate?
Okay, Maddie.
Ate Madi?
Okay, Maddie.
Oh, say hi to your friends mo na. Oh, say hi. What will you say to your friends?
Hi, fun.
Ay, tingin ka kay fans.
Hi, fun.
Oh, magwe-wave ka dapat, di ba, kay fans? Oh, ano sasabihin mo kay fans? Later na yung cellphone. Wave mo na kay fans. Dali na. Dali na.
No, cellphone.
Oh, say wave mo na kay fans. Wave fans.
Hi, fun.
Hi, fans. Angry?
Hi, fun.
Ay, bakit?
The more we get together,
Ate.
the more we get together, the happier we'll be. That's your friends, they're my friends, my friends, your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Mommy, can you see our video?
Oh, later, yes, I'm doing the video.
Can you see? Can you see?
Later na, I'm not yet done.
The more we get together, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. Yes, your friends are my friends, my friends are your friends.
Ay, galit na si Uno. oh.
We get together, the happier we'll be.
Eto ang aming babying liit. Sige nga, ikaw nga. What's that? Ano yan? Ano yan? Isa pa? Isa pa? Naglalaro ka na ng laway, ha? Marunong na, ha? Ha? Ano yan? Ano yan? Ayan, oh. Andito ako ngayon sa aking mga apo. Oh, ito ang aming baby na nag-iisang boy. Si Baby Uno. Oh, marunong na siya maglaro ng bibig. May laway. Oops. Naabot niya, oh. Oh, ito naman si ate. What's your name?
My name is Princess Addison Dicana.
Wow, full talaga Oh, bakit umaangat ka na? Nagagalit ka na naman. Nagagalit na naman siya. Naiirita ka na? Naantok ka na ba? Naantok ka na? Ah, inaantok na daw kami, fans. Hi, fans! Say hi, fans. Hi, fans! Hi, fans! Naiirita na yung aming baby. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye! Say bye-bye. Bye-bye,
Bye-bye.
fans! Ay, nagagalit na.